I present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
And then never delivered that.
Yeah, my instinct was just to laugh it off. Like, it's some nut out there and just ignore it. And then we'll move on to somebody else. Don't worry about it.
But then he Googled his son.
And then I saw the post
And there were these horrible things written about him as well.
accusing our son of being a pedophile.
Kasi ang mahal-mahal. Fuck!
Whoa. Wow. My God.
She had those alcoholic. What the? It's like, what are you doing? It was hot. You know, she's like, oh, it's got vodka. I was like, oh, really? She's like, oh, yeah, I've had 3.
Dude, what the?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I mean, there, I had to turn my eye. Like, this is too much for me. Oh, 6421 Rock. Steve, who is our first contestant, ready to play the big game. Hello, Kim. Welcome to the men's room.
Car.
Bro, you just hit my car.
Did he?
I'm going to speed limit, buddy.
This is a $150,000 car. I wonder what you should
Not your best. Clearly mini material. Harvestella, delightfully mini. Sometimes you see a game and you're like, oh no, They spent too much money on this. There's no way this makes its money back. That they went over budget on this. And then also sometimes you can clearly see they didn't give it enough. Oh, their ambitions were too high for the time and money they were given for this. Harvestella is Baby Bear's porridge. Square Enix seemingly spent the perfect amount of budget on this farming, crafting RPG. And I hope you at home now have an understanding of what Mini entails.
This retard fucking doing? And another one? Jesus Christ.
Fall is always kind of a little bit rough in the summer, and thunderstorms are, kind of one of the most disruptive things that can happen to your flight because they're very unpredictable.
Take the next left on the Post Creek Road.
Am I doing okay? Oh, I hope so. Huh? Don't worry, keep going. And check. He's good. So, I didn't pass? Everything's great. Congrats. Hooray! Thanks a lot. Dreams come true. Good luck. Thanks. Huh?
Good morning.
Hello. Shall we start?
Sure. I'm finally gonna become a driver. Let's roll. Huh? Oh no, how could I forget?
Wait, what are you doing? Stop! Stop it!
Calm down, this has to be done.
We're gonna crash! I'm too young to die. I want to leave.
Uh-oh. How did that happen? Ouch.
How could you be so reckless? You could have killed us.
Not a big deal. I want my license. Come on.
Huh? Fail.
What? Are you serious?
But still, that's like nothing. It's cheap. Then I bought only Oakleys. But I was making money too. Things were good back then. Oh, it's on recording. I got it on recording.
Jesus Christ.
both Ryan and Wes failed out of college. Calm down, Kaylee.
Smartphone handsets.
Or someone steals a mail check. Oh! Jesus!
So that I didn't have to look him in the eyes. For what it's worth, I'm a young East Asian female, and the fact that he was watching East Asian adult videos makes me feel even more embarrassed. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. According to him, he stayed back to fix the TV. Then Oki posted another update. My boyfriend's mother had a talk with the old man, and he claimed that he was simply fixing something on the TV.
Jesus Christ.
That's what she said she does.
Ooh, I got that on video. Are you just gonna leave, or what are you gonna do?
I'm getting on the way. We witnessed. Was that the tire or the engine?
I'll let you know that I agree with this recommendation as well, and that I notified the prosecutors that I would like for him to take that step.
At 37, Buttigieg has so far succeeded in standing out from the
Thought I was watching a NASCAR race.
It's been hell chopper bullets, it's an AK in my hand. These boys a bunch of different than a trend. I got all the land. Are you? What I'm saying? But the these niggas thought that I was playing.
Oh my God.
Dude, you got so much room. Go.
Please go. father looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling. Just had to sob. Remember. Oh my gosh. Looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling.
Expensive, and it's a lot to take care of, and we're in a drought. Oh
my gosh, what happened?
I am at Naval Base San Diego, but I will be taking on a Navy and a Canadian challenge. Now, you know, I'm the smartest dog in the room, but I don't know about that, like, your confidence.
Man, what was he thinking?
What happened? Didn't you?
Is that him? Is that what happened?
Are you okay?
Because they need that. And two, they'd probably ask Jerry, what the hell? Wait, does drinking blood make you a cannibal? Yeah, but like, does it have to be like specifically flesh? Do you have to chew the impaled one to drink his blood? Yeah, well, they say auto cannibalism is like chewing, like nails. Yeah, you bite your nails, but you like actually eat. I don't know, just does eating your boogers, is that the same level? I don't know if snot counts as your physical body.
What's the difference between that and blood?
What about if you get a nosebleed and drains in the back of your throat? I mean, like a
Current loop.
Let's get to the house and then go out about